This is the last exercise for this week. In this exercise, you have to write the letter that begins in each picture. For example, number 1, zebra, the sound Z. You have to write the letter Z. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 2, cat. K. Number 3, pepper. P. Number 4, robot. R. Number 5, bell. B. Number 6, keys. K. Number 7, hat. H. Number 8, lemon. L. Number 9, jar. J. Number 10, tooth. T. Number 11, kangaroo. K. Number 12, pencil. P. Number 13, heart. H. Number 14, pot. P. Good job!